Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler bringing you the morning comment for August 18th. It sometimes seems as if the markets are happily oblivious to what's going on in the wider world, but the action Friday and at the opening Monday shows this isn't entirely so. Friday was characterized by a large-scale flight to safety on reports that Ukraine had attacked and destroyed a Russian convoy in Ukrainian territory, a report that Russia deemed fantasies. Stocks fell, carry retreated as the dollar strengthened. Dollar-yen moved lower, but euro-dollar was little affected, even though the DAX fell 2.7% from its peak. In any event, the Russian reassurances calmed the market, and over the weekend, the foreign ministers of Ukraine, Russia, Germany, and France met for talks to arrange a ceasefire. While the talks weren't immediately successful, simply the fact that they're meeting and talking is progress, and will probably encourage risk-on investments today, in my view. So once again, the carry trade should be in fashion, and I expect to see gains among the emerging market currencies. Looking at Friday's price action, the Turkish lira, Russian ruble, Polish zloty, and South African rand, and the Hungarian florin seem to be poised to recover the most. From a fundamental point of view, I'm a little wary about the Turkish lira. The ruble, of course, is going to respond quite quickly and closely to the events in Ukraine. The other three have more solid fundamental underpinnings, especially the Eastern European currencies. Sterling is rallying this morning after Bank of England Governor Carney was quoted in the Sunday Times as saying that the bank can raise rates even before it sees the fact of higher wages. There may be more people around who went short around 170 who might decide to take profits, or people who have been looking for a bottom to enter into new long to keep this rally going longer. Oil climbed sharply in U.S. trading on Friday on the Ukraine news, but it's down slightly from its New York closing levels this morning. The events in the Middle East seem positive for oil or negative for the oil price. Kurdish forces are gaining as U.S. bombing helps to push back the Islamic State fighters, while Libyan output is rising as the port of Es-Sider prepares to ship crude. The fundamental outlook for oil looks bearish to me. Similarly, the fact that gold fell last week despite the rising tensions is not a good sign for the precious metal. Today's events are very light. During the European day, we get the Eurozone's trade balance for June, while in the U.S., the National Association of Home Builders Market Index for July is due out. For the week as a whole, the features will be the minutes of the FOMC and Bank of England meetings on Wednesday, and the Fed's Jackson Hole Symposium on Thursday through Saturday. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.